More fire. Let me see what you have. You don't have more fire. Oh, which world are you living in? You're losing 200, my man. Now, what type of a hustler is this?
So apparently Regis Wu Ute to Umogai, what kind of a hustler are you? So I think DJ Sbu ubonile phutha lakhe, ubonile ukuthi akamkhulumisanga kahle uGuy, and went back ayoxolisa to uGuy ukuthi I know man the other day angakhuluma kahle nawe and you were not selling him more fire. Nayi more fire ke guys. Guy naye he was happy, and the 200 rand that angazange amnike the other day wamnikeza namabhalka more fire ukuthi the guy must start selling him more fire. So I see people are very angry kuma social media about DJ Sbu the way I treat lo guy, but I think ulibonile liphutha lakhe and waqolisa.
The other day when complain angithi awunayo baba. Umnikeza nalo you remember that day unganayo? Ngiyaxolisa sorry. Oh nali thukhipha lakho baba. Thank you nyabonga. So now you're selling more fire in the shop.
Even though DJ Sbuya angakasho like in directly, so athi ngiyaxolisa about the other day athi ngicomplainile ukuthi you are not selling more fire, but at least umnikile store to start and the 200 rand. Thank you guys for listening, for watching. Please subscribe, like and share my video.